Welcome to this Imbolc guided meditation. Imbolc is a time of awakening, of new beginnings, and the first stirrings of life returning to the earth. As we prepare for the renewal of the season, let us take a moment to ground ourselves and connect with the energy of this sacred time. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes and begin to bring your awareness to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Let each breath bring you into a deeper state of relaxation. With each breath, let your body relax. Feel your feet connecting with the ground, your body sinking gently into the earth. Imagine roots extending from your feet, deep into the soil, grounding you in the present moment. You are safe, you are supported, and you are at peace. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. There is nothing you need to change yet. Simply notice it. When you're ready, we'll begin a slow, steady breathing pattern together. Inhale deeply through the nose for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath gently at the top for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale slowly through the mouth for 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale deeply. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One last time. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Allow your breathing to continue at this calm, steady rhythm. Each breath softens the body. Each exhale releases tension. As you continue this journey, return whenever you need to this steady rhythm. A slow inhale, a gentle pause, and a long, releasing exhale. Let your breath carry you deeper. Before we return fully, take one final breath together. Inhale deeply. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And exhale slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carry this calm with you. Now, take a moment to envision the energy of Imbolc surrounding you. Picture the last remnants of winter melting away, revealing the fresh green shoots of spring emerging from the earth. The earth is waking, and with it, so are you. Feel the energy of renewal, of growth, moving through you, filling your body with light and warmth. Visualize the sun growing stronger, its golden light warming the earth and your body. As the light touches you, Feel it filling you with vitality, creativity, and healing. This is the energy of Brigid, the goddess of Imbolc, inspiring you to start anew, to heal, and to create. Now, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, embracing their energy within you. I welcome new beginnings into my life. I am ready to release the old and embrace the fresh possibilities ahead. I trust in the process of growth and renewal. Now, take a moment to bring your awareness back to the present. Feel your body once again connected to the earth beneath you. As you slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, take a deep breath and open your eyes. Bring with you the energy of renewal and hope that Imbolc offers. Thank you for joining this Imbolc meditation. May the energy of the season guide and inspire you. Blessed be. As you continue moving through the days of Imbolc, you are welcome to deepen this practice in your own time. On the Moonfall Metaphysical YouTube channel, you'll find a complete Imbolc playlist filled with seasonal rituals, reflections, and spiritual guidance to support this turning point of the year. You can also explore our Imbolc blog posts and seasonal teachings on the Moonfall Metaphysical website, where we dive deeper into the symbolism, traditions, and quiet magic of this Sabbath. And if you'd like a guided companion for your practice, our Imbolc printable guide is available to support you with rituals, correspondences, reflections, and altar inspiration, created to be used slowly, intentionally, and intuitively. All links are available below. May this season of Imbolc bring clarity, warmth, and quiet beginnings to your path. Blessed be.